How to check KOHO balance. Open the KOHO app on your phone and log in. Right on the home screen, you'll see your current available balance at the top. Swipe up or tap transactions to view your recent purchases, deposits, and spending categories. Great for keeping track of where your money's going. Have multiple KOHO accounts or vaults. Tap the account selector to switch and view each balance separately. For even faster checks, add the KOHO widget to your phone's home screen. This lets you see your balance without even opening the app. You can also enable instant balance notifications and settings to get updates every time you make a purchase or receive money. And that's it. With KOHO, you can track your spending anytime, anywhere, and stay on top of your money 24/7. If you need more information, please contact KOHO customer service. Customer service will solve all your problems. Thanks for watching.